When I'm walking through the valley, I won't fear an army. I lift my eyes to heaven, I know you walk with me. I'm a walking miracle.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. PK Darren here, and today for the first episode of the behind the scenes, we're just going to be going over my MotoVlog setup and the easiest way you can start to doing videos on YouTube. So of course, what you're going to need is a motorcycle helmet. You're also going to need an actual GoPro itself. You're going to need a GoPro mount. The GoPros come with these adhesives that you need. You're just going to have to get all that. And last but not least, there's the GoPro right there. Last but not least, you guys are going to need a plug-in microphone. Other than this, let's get into the video. So the helmet doesn't matter, but the helmet I'm using is the Sedici Strategia 2 helmet. It's the Prelude, I believe it's called. It was the Bluetooth version, but again, the helmet doesn't really matter. So last time my helmet looks. So anyway, let's get into the part. So you're going to get a regular helmet. Like I said, you could decide where you want the adhesives to go. I chose on the side. This right here is from chin mounts, and that's just, I'm mainly going to use that for the vertical mount, but I'll show you guys how to do that. So first of all, my MotoVlog setup, that's literally how it is. This, you can buy this on Amazon. You can literally get this piece on Amazon. Let me put it close to the camera so you'll see. You can get this right here, and it comes in handy. So this way, I'll show you guys how I normally do it. So before I do that, I do already have a microphone. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but technically you would get your microphone, you'll put it behind your chin mounts, and you'll practically move it all around your helmet till it gets to the other side. And as you guys can see, this is where my microphone is, and you just put it right behind the chin mount a little bit, and you're practically good to go. After that, all you're going to do is get your whatever. Like I said, for this one, I already have one for the side. I literally do that. Then what you're going to do from here, you're just going to get your GoPro. Now, before we start on the GoPro, if you have I believe it's the GoPro Hero 9 and up, you're going to have to get this media mod. The media mod, you really need that so you can use this to plug in your microphone and you'll be able to talk instantly. Now, let's say you didn't have the 9 and up. I believe the 8 and down, you have to have the adapter. So my old MotoVlog setup, I had an adapter. I used double-sided tape, and I would practically get the double-sided tape, stick it on the side, hook this part up to the GoPro. Then I would get my microphone, hook it up, and I will have my microphone all the way around to the other side, and I was practically the setup. But since that was kind of a lot and you didn't notice the weight, like I said, if you just get the 9 and up, or I'm not for sure about the 8, you can just get a media mod, and it's literally plug and play. So you just get the media mod, you plug it in, close it, then you're going to come over here, hook it up on my helmet, and it'll literally be just like that. Then I would get my microphone cord, and there you go. That is my MotoVlog setup. That's like literally my main setup. I use this on all my videos, literally everything. Now, like I said, with the chin mounts, you'll unhook this, take your microphone out. You can still use your microphone if you have it the other way. This is literally on chin mounts. I think it cost me like $10. I want to say it was like $10. You're literally just going to plug it in like this. Take the GoPro, and it'll literally be just like that. The best part about this, you can plug in the microphone on the back, and now you have the vertical mount, and this is perfect for if you're going to be shooting shorts or reels or TikTok and you don't feel like, doing too much editing. It'll already be perfect because it's hanging like that. So other than that, you guys, that's pretty much it of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a blessed day and take care.
When I'm walking through the valley, I won't fear an army. I lift my eyes to heaven, I know you walk with me.